Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Marble Contest of Champions to unlock some awesome rewards. Let's get started. First of all, open up the game and head to the main menu. In the top left corner, you will see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it that. Next, from the profile screen, look for the settings button, usually near the button of or side. Tap on that to open up your settings. In the settings menu, you should see an option that says promo code and enter code. Tap on it and you will be prompted to enter your code. Now, just type in the code you want to redeem. Double check for any or typos as these codes are case sensitive. Once it's in, hit submit or redeem. If the code is valid, you will get a confirmation message and your rewards should appear in your inventory right away. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Enjoy your rewards and good luck in the contest.